Welcome to Workshop Mate Capricorn Reconciliation Training Session. If you are a Capricorn partner, you will need Workshop Mate ability to reconcile your Capricorn invoice with your parts received so you never overpay your bill ever again. When processing purchase orders, you can select which purchase orders appear on a Capricorn reconciliation report so you can match it up with your Capricorn statement. To select a purchase order to appear on your reconciliation report, navigate to Purchases and click Purchase Orders. Click on Create New, select a supplier and enter purchase order information. Make sure you tick Capricorn Save and receive. Run the reconciliation report by going to Reports and then Purchase Reports. Select Purchases by Capricorn Supplier. Enter a date range. Click on the PDF or Excel icon to generate the report. The report will generate a list of the purchase orders that were ticked with Capricorn with a total under each supplier and a total at the end of the report. You can check your Capricorn payment immediately to validate the costs. This makes sure there are no overpayments to suppliers.